Hey Glam Dolls, so this video is going to be super interesting and super exciting, and that's because when I last was in my local Dollar Tree, I finally was able to get my hands on the instant eyeshadows by Majic that looks like this right here. This is the packaging of the instant eyeshadows by Majic. Now if your Glam Dolls is like, what is the instant eyeshadows? What is this Majic that she's talking about? This has been popping up all over YouTube lately, and these are swipe and stick eyeshadow applicators, and you get 10 in a box, and it looks like let me get one out so you can see what I'm talking about. Looks like this. This is what it's looking like when you get it out of its packaging, and it has the eyeshadow already made onto it, and you just put it onto your eye, swipe, and you instantly is supposed to have a glamorous eye look. So I'm here today to do a demonstration on if this really is going to work like the packaging is claiming. Now I'm gonna do this demonstration. What I'm not gonna do is my full face. I'm not gonna do my eyebrows and everything else, because the point is to see if I can really utilize this and see if it's really going to work well for me. And I don't want to commit to doing my eyebrows, doing a full face, and then this thing right here doesn't work. This video will turn into a whole nother other kind of video at that point. So on the back of its packaging, you have 3 simple instructions on how to use this, and we're going to do this together. It doesn't say that I need an eyelid primer or anything like that, so we're just going to get this started. So the 3 instructions are: instruction number 1, important. Close eyelid, then raise your eyebrow to give a flat surface for a better application. Using both hands, hold the Eye Majic applicator firmly on the base of the eyelid for 4 seconds. Okay, it's telling me to hold it for 4 seconds. This is my eye. This is so nerve-wracking. Let's go and see if it works. Okay, number 2, slide while applying firm, comfortable pressure. Slide the applicator across your eyelid in the appropriate direction to achieve a sharp look. Use the same applicator to blend if necessary. Put it on my eye with both fingers. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. You see that? Uh-oh, let me do the other eye. Well, okay. We did 1 and 2. Number 3 says, for a different look, you can apply a second applicator of a different color over the existing eyeshadow to achieve a unique style. We're not doing that, but okay, I still have some eyeshadow on here. Let's do the other eye. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, I kind of did this one wrong because I should have came down a little bit lower, but that's okay. All right, so we did both eyes, and it's really on my eyes. I could say that much. I'm not a fan of the color, but I could see where it's going. Yeah, I could see where it's going. I honestly just wouldn't choose this color. Oh no, wait, we gotta see if you can take it off. So see, this is why I'm glad I didn't do a full face, because I would be really pissed off right now if my eyeshadow came out like this and I had my eyebrows done and my foundation and everything else on. Ooh, God, I would be mad. So let's see how easy this can come off. I'm using my makeup wipes. These are Equate. I purchased it from my local Walmart. Let's see. Let me lean in. I'm looking in the mirror when I'm not looking at you. So I always put my makeup wipe over my eye. I count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wow, it came right off. Look how easy that was. Came right off. Yeah. So dolls, now this concludes the video, because now we see how well this thing can be applied, and we also see how easy you can just, you know, wipe it off if need be. I only had the purple one that was in my local Dollar Tree, so that's why I did it with the purple one right here. And just in case, this is shade number 67. But like I keep saying, this concludes the video. Now I really gotta go and apply my real face that I plan on doing today. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.